Lori here at Zion Design Pedestal Source.
And I'm Patrick.
And we have your 2 pedestals here that you ordered. Let me turn the camera to the correct way.
And what's a good light?
Light.
And they're also individually controllable. Let's see, I can. Let's do a top down so you can see them while I'm pushing the buttons.
Okay.
So let's see. This one's on the 1 channel, so I can turn it up or down with this guy. Turn it on or off. Dim it if I want to. I can turn both of them on or off with the main buttons here. And you just select which one you want. If I want to turn that one a little dimmer, that one's dimmer now. And I've got it on 2 remotes, same setup, so it's easy to do. We've got these little holders. You can put those wherever you like, on the back of the pedestal or on the wall. It's a little easy stick tape. So yeah, should be ready to go.
And they are coming out to you by FedEx to your Santa Barbara location. And we would love to see a picture of these pedestals doing an awesome job of lighting very brightly and dimly, and just gonna play with that all day, aren't you, Patrick?
Oh yeah.
Okay, well that's pretty awesome. Okay, so thank you so much and enjoy your pedestals. Thanks.